Dear children, this class we will discuss about place value. Place value in maths. Today we discuss about place value. Are you ready, children? Okay. That place value, first three place value only you understand. Okay, dear children. Whatever you number take, you start with right to left. Okay, the first number is which place? The first number place value is ones. Okay, then tens, then hundreds. Okay, dear children, ONES, ones. O for ones, and TENS, tens. T for tens, and hundreds. HUNDREDS, hundreds. H for hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. You start with right side. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. How do you read? Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, how many hundred is here? 100. How to write 100? This is an 100. How do you write 100? 100. 100. Ones, tens, hundred. Upon 100. Okay. Then the 2 is a tens place. 2 is a tens place. Okay. How many tens? 2 tens. 1 ten and 2 ten. How many tens? 2 tens. 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, how to read? 120. 100 plus 20, 120. Plus how many ones? 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1. 3, 1 is equal to 3. How many ones? 3 ones. 100 and how many hundred? 123. 123. Are you understand, students? How to read 1, 2, 3? 123. 123. The tens place is, what's the number is tens place? 2. What's the number in hundred place? 1. For 123. 123. Okay, dear children, I will give another one number. For example, 531. 531. The 1. What's this place value? The 1 is a which place? Ones place. 3 is a tens place. 3 is a tens place. And 5 is a hundred place. 5 is a hundred place. Okay, now you say how many hundred? 500. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. How many hundred? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hundred? 500. How many hundred? 500. 500 and how many tens? 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. How many tens? 3 tens. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. Okay. How to read? 500 and how many hundred? 530. 530. 530. Okay. How do you write? 530. Then how many ones? Only 1. How many ones? Only 1. So 530 plus 1. 530 plus 1. 530. The 0 place is a 1. So 531. Okay, dear children, now you understand the place value. Ones place, tens place, hundred place. You start with right side. Right to left. Okay, right to left. Okay, dear children, right to left. 100, tens, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, dear children. Now come to the book. Okay, activity 3. Okay, write the numbers name for. Write the number names for the following numerals. Okay, write the numbers name. Okay, what's the first number? 150. How many hundred? 100. How many tens? 5 tens. How many ones? No ones. So 150. 150. How to write? 150. 150. Then how many tens? 2 tens. Look at this note. 2 to 5. Yes or no? 2 to 5. How do you write? How many hundred? How many ones? How many ones? 5 ones. How many tens? 2 tens. How many hundreds? 2 hundreds. Okay. How do you write 200? How to write 200? 200, 200. Plus how many tens? 2 tens. How do we write 210? 210. 10 plus 10, 20. 210. Plus how many 5? How many ones? 5 ones. Okay. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Okay, dear children. How many hundred? 200. And how many tens? 2 tens. And how many ones? 5 ones. 225. How do we write 200? Do you know the spelling 200? TWO2 HUNDRED. 200 and how many tens? 2 tens. How do you write 2 tens? 20. 20. 20. 200 and 220. 25. 225. Okay, dear children, like that you write. How many hundred? 2. How many hundred? 200. 200. How many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens you write and 20. 20. How many ones? 5 ones. So you write 5 only. Okay, dear children, this like you write the numbers name. Okay, what's the second number? 306. How many hundreds? 300 and tens place no value. And how many ones? 6 ones. 306. 306. Okay, then 535. 535. 535. Okay, then 907. 907. 907. 907. Then 992. 900. 900. 9 is a 100 place and another one 9 is a tens place. So 900 and tens place means you how do you say 9090. So 992. What's the spelling of 2? TWO2. 900 and 992. 992. Okay, dear children, this like you write that numbers name. Okay, then activity 4. Then what? Activity 4. Form 3-digit numbers. Already here giving an 3-digit number. Same also you write 3-digit numbers. Okay, form 3-digit numbers using each of the given numbers only once. That number will come only one time only. Okay, dear children, how many times only this number will come? Only one time. Okay, are you ready to write? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then rearrange the numbers. Rearrange the numbers. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Then after, how to arrange another one number? How to arrange the another one number? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Okay, after that 2, 1, 3. After that 2, 1, 3. Then after 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. Then after 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. And only one number is remaining. 3, 2, 1. 2 1 3, 3 1 2, 2 3 1. Then after how many times this enter? 2 times will come, 1 2 times will come, and 3 only 1 time. So how do you write? 1 3 2, 1 3 2. Okay dear children, already giving an 1 2 3 3 number we giving, and same also each of the given numbers only one line 1 times will come. Okay, same as to you write this column. Okay dear children, same as to you write this column. Okay, then place value of a numeral in the given number. Place value of a numeral in the given number. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Underline, here some underlines are there. Underlined digit in the given number. Okay, look at this book carefully. 296. This 9 is a underlined number. Yes or no? 9. So ones, tens, hundreds. 1 tens, hundreds. Ones place is a 6. 10s place 9. 100 place 2. Okay, 296. The underlined number is a 9. Okay, underlined number is a 9. So 9 is the which place? Tens place. Okay, tens place means how many tens? 9 tens. 9 tens means you have to write 9 tens. 90 90. 9 tens. How many tens? 9 tens. Then 296. 6 is the ones place. Underlined number is a 6. 6 is the ones place. So you write just 6 only. Okay. Then after 296. 2 is the underlined number. 2 is the which place? 2 is the ones, tens, 100. 2 is the 100 place. How many 100? 200. So you write and 200. How do you write 200? 200, 200. Okay. Then after 196. The underlined number is a 9. 9 is the tens place. So you write and 90. 90. Okay dear children. Now I write this only. 417. Okay, what's the underlined number? What's the underlined number? 4 is the underlined number. Yes or no? 4 is a which place? You count ones, tens, hundreds. Ones place 7, tens place 1, 100 place 4. So 4 is the underlined number. 4 is a hundreds. 4 is a hundreds. Okay, 4 is the hundreds. How many hundreds? 400. How many hundreds? 400. 400s. Okay, how many hundreds? 400s. 400s. 4 is a 100 place. So you write a 400. So you write a 400. This 2 is a homework. This 2 is a homework. Okay dear children, you same also write. Okay, look at this page carefully and do yourself. Thank you.